still doesn't look right.
Hey, careful, Ben. We're almost out of clean paper.
We can get more.
Whoa, hello.
Barney!
Oh, hi there. My, what's all this?
Tracy's helping me make my costume for the parade.
Oh, that's right. Today's Earth Day. Oh, and there's going to be a big parade to celebrate. But we should probably pick up this trash.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
The parade will be fun. But really, Barney, what is Earth Day for?
Oh, it's a time to remember how important it is to take care of our beautiful Earth. The Earth is our home, lovely and green. Let's keep it tidy, you know what that means. You make it messy, you make it clean. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Playing in nature is always such fun. 'Cause I love the forest, the rivers, the sun. But if there's a mess, there's work to be done. Pick up your part of the world.
Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world. Here on the planet we don't live alone, so always be careful wherever you roam. The forest you visit is somebody's home. Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Pick up your part of the world. Let's make it beautiful, boys and girls. Pick up your part of the world.
Oh, hi there, Maya. Oh, have you met Tracy and Ben?
Oh, I've seen them around. Hi.
So, what's that you have?
Oh, seeds. I'm getting ready to do a little spring planting.
Oh boy.
These are seeds of the future, you know.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Well, this little baby has grown nice and tall.
From a small blade of grass to the tallest tree, it all starts with a little seed. There was a hole
There was a hole
in the middle of the ground.
in the middle of the ground.
The prettiest hole
The prettiest hole
that you ever did see.
that you ever did see.
And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around.
And in this hole,
And in this hole,
there was a tree. There was a tree. The prettiest tree
the prettiest tree.
that you ever did see. That you ever did see. Well, the tree in the hole and the hole in the ground.
And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around.
And on this tree,
And on this tree,
there was a branch.
there was a branch.
The prettiest branch
The prettiest branch
that you ever did see.
that you ever did see.
Well, the branch on the tree, and the tree in the hole, and the hole in the ground.
And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around.
And on this branch,
And on this branch,
there was a nest.
There was a nest.
The prettiest nest.
The prettiest nest
that you ever did see.
that you ever did see. Well, the nest on the branch,
And the branch on the tree.
In the tree, in the hole.
And the hole in the ground.
And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around.
oh boy.
I never noticed that bird nest before.
Looks like this tree is providing a great home for some birds.
Oh, I better be going. I have a few more details to organize for today's Earth Day parade.
Okay.
Oh, look!
Oh,
I can use this to make a bird feeder. See you later.
okay, bye.
Maya's in charge of the parade.
Uh-huh.
Cool. Now come on, let's finish my costume.
But we're out of paper.
Oh man, and all I need is a little more.
Oh, hey, guys, come over here, quick.
Okay, all right, here we go.
What's up, BJ?
Check this out. Hey, Barney, guys.
Hi, Mr. Copeland.
Guess what? We're getting a brand new playground for the park.
Oh,
Sis see. They were supposed to guess. Oh, well, guess a new playground.
It is a beauty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Would you look at that? Will the new playground go here?
Maybe. I'm not sure just yet. If we put it here, this tree will have to be cut down.
Oh, no.
Gotta think about that. Well, see you around.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye, Mr. Copeland.
I wish they wouldn't cut down this tree. There's a bird's nest in it.
Well, somebody better tell that bird this tree's gotta go.
This is their home, BJ. Many animals live in trees.
Like squirrels and frogs.
Do frogs really live in trees?
Well, some do. Frogs can even live in the desert, but
Well,
that one lives over in the meadow. Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother frog and her little froggy one.
Croak said the mother, I croak said the one.
So they croaked and they croaked in the sand, in the sun. Over in the meadow, in the stream so blue, lived an old mother fish and her little fishies too.
Swim said the mother, we swim said the two.
So they swam and they swam in the stream so blue. Over in the meadow, on the branch of a tree, lived an old mother bird and her little birdies three.
Sing said the mother, we sing said the three.
So they sang and they sang on the branch of the tree.
that meadow has all kinds of guys in it.
Animals live all around us, and the earth gives us air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat.
And a great place for a new playground.
I just wish they didn't have to cut down this tree.
We got zillions of them.
There's only one tree like this.
Did I ever tell you about the one and only, one-of-a-kind, higgledy-piggledy pear tree?
The what a tree?
The higgledy-piggledy pear tree. Oh, there's only one left in the whole world. Would you like to hear about it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll take a seat. Here we
Oh,
go.
boy.
Once, there was a very special tree. It had beautiful branches and leaves, and at the very top, a great big, juicy, higgledy-piggledy pear.
Oh, yum. Sounds yummy.
Oh, it was delicious. But when people climbed up to get it, they broke the tree.
Oh.
I never heard about this tree before.
Well, not many people have. To keep it safe, Mother Nature planted a magic garden that grew around it, till the higgledy-piggledy tree was hidden deep in a rainforest.
What's a rainforest?
A place where there's so much rain, the plants grow into a wonderful jungle.
Oh, cool.
Oh, I wish I could see that higgy piggy boogie biggly. The one and only one of a kind higgledy-piggledy tree.
Exactly.
Well, they say it's pretty hard to find.
Oh, I'll bet we could do it if we looked hard enough.
Yeah.
But how could we get to the rainforest?
Well, we could use our imaginations and yo!
Barney's Travel Book!
Oh, that's right! There are so many places we can go. There's just so much to see. If we use our imaginations, we can be anywhere we want to be. Now here we go again. We're traveling. There's a great big world to see. We're gonna have fun, you know. Everywhere we go, a new adventure for you and me. Yes, we are. Meet a friend or two, that's what we'll do, and learn how they live each day. We're going to travel around this great big world in a new and exciting way. Okay, now here we go again. We're traveling. There's a great big world to see. We're gonna have fun, you know. Everywhere we go, a new adventure for you and me. Oh, here we go.
This is a rainforest, huh?
Yes! Welcome to the rainforest.
Well, oh, everyone, meet Mother Nature.
Hi, Mother Nature.
You look like somebody I know.
I hear that a lot. Great galloping geraniums! These plants look thirsty! And here comes the rain, right on time.
Well, she's right.
Where did I put that umbrella? Kerplink.
Kerplop. Thank you.
Kerplink. Kerplop. Kerplink. Kerplop. Kerplink. Kerplop.
For the flowers and the trees and the fishes in the seas, the raindrops drop all around.
Helping rivers flow and your garden grow as they fall from the sky to the ground. When the rain goes kerplop, all the animals stop at a pool for a nice cool drink.
They are just like you, they get thirsty too, but you get your water from a sink.
And the rain can make a puddle, so the birds can splash all around. Taking a bath and chirping away,
Singing happily to the raindrops when they make this sound.
Kerplink.
kerplop, kerplink, kerplop,
Kerplink.
kerplop,
Kerplink.
kerplop.
Yes, the rain can make a puddle, so the birds can splash all around. Taking a bath and chirping away, singing happily to the raindrops when they make this sound. Kerplink, kerplop, kerplink, kerplop. In those puddles I love to hop. I don't care if it never stops. Yeah, we love the raindrops.
Now, what brings you to the rainforest?
Oh, we're looking for the one and only one-of-a-kind higgledy-piggledy tree.
Flowering begonias! That tree's very rare, you know. Hardly anyone knows where it is.
Oh, we can find it if we try.
Would you help us?
Well, I don't know.
Please.
Well, all right. But you must promise to remember something.
What?
Come close.
Yeah, what is it?
We share this earth with all the plants and animals. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you.
Right. Got it. Now, which way do we go?
Well, right down that path.
Oh,
Come on,
okay.
guys.
All right.
Whoa! Guys!
Well,
Somebody needs a trim.
Are you coming?
oh, no, you go on. We'll catch up.
I knew we should have stopped and asked for directions. We're never gonna find out. Oh, is that what I think it is? It's gotta be.
The one and only one-of-a-kind higgledy-piggledy tree.
I've never seen anything like it.
'Cause there isn't anything like it, my friend. It's the only one left in the world.
Oh, and there's the higgy-piggy pear.
Just look at that thing. Barney said it's delicious. I gotta taste it.
We are not climbing this tree. It might break.
Oh, no,
we were
of course
just
not. No
suggesting
one was
that. We weren't
suggesting
really
that.
gonna do it.
Maybe if I kind of bump the tree, it'll fall out.
I don't think that's a good idea. Sure it is. Bump it harder.
Bump it harder, okay.
Yeah, harder. Don't hurt the tree, BJ.
Oh, Tracy, I can't hurt this tree. There, see what I mean? Uh-oh. Oh.
BJ, you knocked it down.
Oh, man, I didn't mean to. Maybe we can fix it. Oh, what should I do? What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do when I don't know what I should do?
Should I make a brave face?
Oh,
Should I cross my arms and wait? Should I count the tick-tocks on my clock
when I haven't got a clue, what should I do?
What should I do? What should
Should I shout a big oh no, oh no?
Should I ring my mom or sing a song?
I'm feeling so confused. What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do?
What should I do when I don't know what I should do?
What should I do?
What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do when I don't know what I should do? There's no way to fix this. BJ, they're coming. Stand it up, stand it up. You're gonna get in trouble. Act natural.
Oh, you found it.
Oh, hey, Barney, Mother Nature.
Isn't it awesome?
Oh, yes, it's really something, isn't it?
Is everything okay, BJ?
Sure.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Oh, I mean, no, it isn't.
You weren't too careful. There was a little accident.
And I sort of broke the one and only one of a kind higgledy-piggledy tree.
Oh.
Oh, my.
Oh, I'm really, really sorry.
And this was the only one.
You poor thing.
Mother Nature, we are so sorry.
Is there anything we can do?
Well, maybe. You see, inside the higgledy-piggledy pear, there's a seed.
If we plant it, will it grow?
It will take a long time and a lot of care. But someday, the seed inside this pear will become a full-grown tree.
It's a seed of the future.
That's right, Tracy. We can plant the seed now, and Mother Nature will watch over it and protect it.
I certainly will. But, you know, I can always use some help when it comes to watching over this big, beautiful Earth.
How can we help?
Well, some ways to care for our Earth include picking up trash and planting new plants and protecting the animals.
I can do that. Me too.
Then let's get started by planting this seed.
All right.
Okay. Will you help protect our Earth and keep it clean?
Yes, we will.
Will you help protect our Earth and keep it green?
Yes, we will.
Then the time has come to start. Let's begin to do our part. And we'll all protect the Earth and keep it green.
Yes, we will.
There are lots of different things that we can do. Yes, there are. There are lots of different things that we can do. Yes, there are. If we really truly care, then we all will do our share. There are lots of different things that we can do. Yes, there are. Then the time has come to start.
Let's begin to do our part.
And we'll all protect the Earth and keep it green. Yes, we will. We can do it.
Yeah. Now I get it. We can all do something, even if it's really small, because we can all help take care of our Earth.
Oh, well, that's right, BJ. Everyone can do their part.
Mother Nature, you can count on me from now on.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Oh, I know I can.
Oh, well, I think we better get going now. Bye, Mother Nature.
Mother Nature,
Bye.
Okay,
See ya.
Bye. I'll see
Bye,
you soon.
Barney.
Okay, keep up the good work.
See you later.
11, 12. The perfect place to put a new playground right here.
Mr. Copeland, there must be some way that we can save this tree.
It would be a shame to lose it.
Yeah. Well, maybe we can save it. We've got a great playground right there. Why do we need one here?
Yeah, maybe there's a better place for a new playground.
Well, any suggestions?
Well, there's a nice open spot on the other side of the pond.
Oh, that just might work.
Oh, yeah!
I never saw kids so happy about moving a playground, Barney.
Oh, I think they're most of all happy that the tree can stay.
Oh, yeah, nothing's gonna happen to this guy while old BJ's around.
Right, it's the future, you know.
That's right, Tracy.
Now, where's that open spot?
Come on, I'll show ya.
Oh, I want to go too.
This
Okay,
way.
all right.
Bye.
See you soon.
All right, everyone, it's time for the Earth Day Parade.
Whoa.
Get your costumes.
Oh, we can celebrate saving this tree.
Yeah! Oh, we never finished my costume. Well, here. We can use this on it. Okay. Let's give it a try.
Okay, well, come on. Let's go. Oh, boy. Whoa.
Think about the deep blue seas. Think about the plants and trees. Think about the things you see every day. Think about the way you live. Think about the things you give. And what if every day was Earth Day? Hey! Every day is Earth Day. Wherever we roam, the Earth is our home. Every day is Earth Day. It's time to be aware. It's time to show we care. So let the cleanup start. Be recycle smart. We can make it part of our routine. We can fill a need. We can plant a seed. And we can all watch it grow into something green. Hey! Every day is Earth Day. Wherever we roam, the Earth is our home. Every day is Earth Day. It's time to be aware. It's time to show we care. It's time to show we care.
Oh, boy. That was great. That was a terrific parade.
Oh, it certainly was. I almost forgot. I turned that old soda bottle into a snazzy new bird feeder. What do you think?
Oh, I like that.
Awesome.
Wow.
Now, where to hang it?
How about this tree limb?
Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay. Oh, you can reach it. Okay, let me help you. There you go.
Petals and petunias, what a perfect place.
You know, you remind me of someone.
I hear that a lot. And thank you for taking care of that tree. When you take care of plants, they'll take care of you. Bye-bye, butterflies.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.
This has been a great Earth Day, Barney.
Oh, well, every day can be Earth Day if we remember to take good care of the world around us. If we love our Earth the way I love you. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I do love you. I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Oh boy.
Bye, Barney. Thanks for
Okay,
everything.
bye-bye. I'll see you soon. Oh, happy Earth Day. Bye-bye.
Whoopsie daisy. Will you look at this mess? Always something to do.